Hello everyone, welcome to Sin's Kitchen again. So here I am back with a new recipe with only 7 ingredients, and it's very easily available in your local market and you can make it. Today's my dish name is Hariyali Kabab or Pahadi Kabab. So let's go quickly and let's start making it. First we need chicken, some salt, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, coriander, mint and green chili paste, curd and lemon juice. So let's get started. So now we'll start it. So here's the chicken. We'll add salt to it. Then we'll add some garam masala. Add ginger garlic paste, some lemon juice, the coriander and the mint paste to give it a color, and then the curd. Now we'll mix it well. Our marination is ready. Now we'll keep it for an hour or 2 hours. Marination is ready. As you can see, the chicken has already started leaving its moisture. Now the next step, we'll take the wooden skewers or what we know as satay sticks. I have 16 pieces of chicken, so I'll put 4 pieces in each. So I'll show you one. Here's the skewers. I'll put one chicken in. A little space between the chickens so that it doesn't cling on, and then it gets a space to get cooked. So here's one skewers. I have 4 left, so I'll make it more. Skewers are ready. I'll first heat up a pan. I already started the filling. Now I'll brush the pan with a little bit of oil, white oil. Let it heat up. Meanwhile, I'll show you. I have already clarified some butter and ghee together. I already have clarified some butter and ghee together, just to brush it up afterwards. My oil is already heated up. Now I'll add the skewers one by one. You can hear the sizzling sound. I'll wait for it to cook, and then you will see the nice brown kebab color on top of it. You can see my kebabs are ready. See the light brownish color, which means it's cooked evenly. Now, after it's done, I'll brush it with butter and ghee mixture which I already had made, just to give it a kebabi flavor and the authentic flavor which a kebab has. Just brush it a bit. Now serve it hot. So here my hara bhara kebab is ready. Hariyali Kabab or the Pahadi Kabab. Here's the kebab on a bed of onion, and here is the curd and the mint chutney mix, which is a dip for the kebab. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, Thank you.